Now let me ask you something. If someone brought Chivas to a gathering, would you be impressed? Most people would say yes. But if someone told you Chivas is a blended whiskey, would that change your answer? It shouldn't, and here's why. Blended Scotch is a mix of malt whiskey and grain whiskey from multiple distilleries. Single malt is whiskey from one distillery using malted barley only. But here's what people get wrong. Single malt is not one barrel, it's a blend just from one place. The master blender's job at a house like Chivas can pull from over 150 different whiskies to build one consistent expression. The goal is every single bottle of Chivas 12 tastes the same. Same honey, same spice, same soft vanilla finish every single time. That consistency, that's harder to achieve than one distillery showing off a single cask. More than 90% of all Scotch whiskies sold globally are blended. Johnnie Walker, Chivas Regal, and Ballantines, these are all the bottles moving in every market, including ours. Blended doesn't mean cheap, it means crafted for consistency at scale, and there's real skill in that. Single malt is for exploration, blended is reliability. Both have a place, neither is beneath you. Drop in the comments which one do you usually go for, single malt or blended. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you in our next video. Bye!